That's a big flag.
I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my
way. Hey, YouTube world. Welcome back to Simon Says Garage. This is my 1954 Belverado 4x4. It's pretty rad. Now, I've seen a few videos on this, and I've seen a few different options, but this is my take on it. I don't have a nice car where I can just get one of those bad flags and suction cup it to the side. If you got that option, cool. Doesn't really work for me. I've also seen them where they take a receiver hitch and make that their flagpole. That's cool too, except I want to tow a trailer while I'm flying the flag. So here's what I did. I had this extra 3/4 inch black pipe laying around. I didn't go and carabiner it or putting eyelets on. I just 3 zip ties through each hole. Should hold. And if one breaks, I got 2 more on there, so it should be good. So that's the start of it. So far, I'm into this about probably 15 bucks when I bought this pipe. I don't know how many years ago, because I can't throw anything away. And then this flag, flag prices are gonna vary depending on what kind you get and where you get it from. But I got a nice knit one with double stitch stripes. I'm hoping it'll hold up. Looks pretty well reinforced. We're gonna find out though. I mean, we're gonna find out. That's all there is to it. I also have this, which is leftover curtain rod. Nope, closet rod for hanging your clothes up in the closet. I cut it down the side and this was left over. I pulled this out of my scrap bin just this morning. So I want the flag in the middle. I don't like it when they're on the side. To me, it needs to be in the middle. Ideally, I'd like to put it up there somewhere, but then my trunk hits it and it causes issues. And I'm guaranteed if I put it up there that I forget garage doors, height, and I'm gonna wreck something. So I'm gonna be safe and put it down here. I've already got my flag on the pole, so I know what dimensions I need. I'm just gonna figure out a way to attach this. I'll probably drill a hole through this plate down here so this can countersink a little bit, because I don't want it really any higher than here, because I want it to be the same level as this bumper or lower. And then I'm gonna drill a hole in it for a key. We'll get there. But essentially I'm gonna drill a hole in it so I can put like a hitch pin style C-clamp pin in it. So when this slides in here, I can lock it in so it doesn't fall out, obviously. But first things first, we need to drill a hole. We'll start there. So what I found is one of my hole saw bits fits nice and snug over there. There's not a whole lot of play, which is all I want. I'm not going for any kind of, interference fit or anything. I just want to be able to recess the pipe down in there a little bit. Now, I know drilling a hole through the body of your car, it's not ideal for everybody. So you may have to get creative on how you do yours. This is just how I'm doing mine. But if you can just drill a hole through your body of your car, rock on, man. You're my people. The drill's moving too much for me, so we're gonna center punch it and pilot hole drill it. See if that helps. Ow, that damn skinned my thumb, ow. But it worked. Damn it, I skinned my thumb again. Ooh, skinning your thumb is the worst. We got a hole almost right where I wanted it even. So then this is gonna go down like so. I might even weld it right to the top of that. And then it's got a good solid mount. Oh, my thumb. Ow. I think that's what's gonna happen. I wonder if this is steel. Probably should figure that part out. I mean, it's gotta be steel, right? I think we have a wiener. Where's my magnet gauge thing? Oh, she's definitely steel. Whew, that was close. That looks roughly, I think, where the, because I can't. Oh, there it is. So that's the end of the pipe. So this one right here. Oh, I missed that by a lot. All right, so that's where the pipe ends. How does that, get it off of there, correlate with this line? So what I think we're gonna do, I went and notched that, beveled that, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, so it'll fit over the weld there and sit down all the way. I think we're just gonna cut her off here, and then we'll figure out exactly the height of the flag we want. So I want to make sure it's doesn't touch the ground, and yeah, you know, that stuff. That was precise measurement right there. Did you see that skill? Ooh, I had thought about just welding this to the bumper, but that would royally screw future Simon if he ever decided to take this bumper off, because this would be welded to the bumper and that would be welded to the hitch. What a pain in the ass that would be. I mean, I guess I could always cut it off if I have to. It would just be one little notch if I had to cut it off. All right, let's get it all cut down, prepped for welding. I'll be right back. So before we get started here, I just want to remind anybody and tell anybody that's new to this channel, I am not a fabricator. I'm not a good fabricator. I don't know how to weld. I'm teaching myself how to do all of this stuff. So welding this super thin metal to super thick metal, she's not gonna look good. No, probably not. But I can't afford to have other people do it, so I'm doing it myself. Because it'll be just fine, hopefully. Here goes nothing. I totally just screwed up. I was supposed to drill my hole in that before I did this. God, son of a... That was really stupid. Really, really, really stupid. Well, I am absolutely not cutting that back out of there to do that. I mean, I've done worse, that's for damn sure. But it's pretty solid, so we're gonna go with it. I cannot believe I did that. Did I mention I'm not a good fabricator? Well, if I didn't, I'm not. My only real option here is gonna be to drill a hole wherever I can in this, slide the flagpole down in there, mark it, and then drill the flagpole. I don't know what else to do. I really screwed myself on this one. Oh, God, I suck. But we'll get it, we'll get it. It's just way harder than it needs to be, I guess. I had to run back to the hardware store because I forgot I didn't have any kind of pin system. So I just got this spring clip here, 1/4 inch. I got my hole drilled in this base mount, but I gotta get the flagpole part figured out. I'm thinking that's high enough. Or do we want it down lower? And yes, I used a black marker on black pipe. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drill both holes and see which one I like better. Trial and error. That way I've got adjustment, you know? Thinking ahead. Totally missed center. That looks better. I really shouldn't have used a black marker on a black pipe. Makes it hard for the peepers to see it. Whoa. Easy peasy. Smells like burnt popcorn. Now, if I did this all right, this should go in the hole, this should go in that hole, and this should go in that hole, and everything is good in the world. So that's hole number 1, and then that's hole number 2. We'll fly it around for a while and we'll see which we prefer. I don't really know yet, as long as it doesn't touch the ground. But there you have it. Quick and easy, simple parts, anything you can get at your local hardware store, nothing fancy. American flag pole for your car. That's a big flag. And I was concerned it wasn't gonna be big enough. Oofta. Sweet. I love it. Thanks for watching. See ya.